world, we'll laugh and play. Books and numbers, colors so bright. Let's explore together, morning till night. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, we bounce and spread. C is for cat, so fluffy and sweet. Learning the alphabet is a fun feat. Count the numbers, 1, 2, 3. Add them up, it's as easy as can be. Shapes like circles, squares and stars help us measure near and far. Science is cool, the earth, the sky. Why do birds sing? Why do planes fly? Ask your questions, find the clues. Every answer is something new. History tells of times long past, stories of heroes, lessons that last. Art lets your imagination soar. Paint and draw, create and explore. Helping others, being kind, good manners and respect in mind. Sharing is caring, that's the way. Let's spread some love every day. Learning is fun, it's a grand surprise, full of wonders before our eyes. So grab a book, come along. With learning, life's a joyful song.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.